Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to play Epic 7 without creating an account. If you want to play Epic 7 without creating an account, then first of all, download and open up the Epic 7 application on your mobile device, and when the game starts, you will see this login page. Tap on the login button, and then on the next page, you will see several login methods. In order to play without creating an account, tap on Sign in with Guest. Click the Confirm button. Remember that if your account is a guest account, you will lose data when changing devices or uninstalling the game. If you're just trying to explore around the game and want to know what the game is all about, you can tap on the Confirm button to proceed with the guest account. Agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy policy. On the next page, you'll get to select a server. Simply choose a server on the list, and then you can continue playing the game without creating an account as a guest. Now go ahead and allow sound settings and other settings that will be asked to you along the way so that you can play the game easily and quickly, so that you can play the game in more effective way. And after completing the tutorial, you can then go ahead and play Epic 7 without creating an account as a guest. Your data will be stored locally. If you uninstall the application or lose your device, your progress will be lost permanently. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel for more Epic 7 tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.